how to search for Discord servers on mobile. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can search and join new Discord servers right from your phone. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss anything. Alright, let's get started. First, open up your web browser Safari or Chrome, whichever you use. In the address bar, type in something like Discord servers or go straight to a site like discordservers.com or disport.org. These sites list thousands of public servers. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look for a topic you're interested in like Minecraft, anime, coding, or anything else. You can also browse by categories like gaming, education, or community. When you find a server you like, just tap on Join Server. That will automatically open your Discord app and prompt you to accept the invite. Once you do, you'll be added to the server and can start chatting right away. And that's it. Now you know how to discover and join cool Discord communities on mobile. Thanks for watching.